Today we're going to be checking out the RedRock OEM style side step bars for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cabs. This upgrade is perfect for Tacoma owners looking to both enhance their accessibility and the rugged appearance of their vehicle by adding some functional side steps that blend seamlessly with the truck's design. These RedRock OEM style side step bars are engineered to provide a convenient and easy entry and exit, especially beneficial for lifted Tacomas or for passengers requiring additional assistance like older people and kids. These side steps also serve as a dual purpose by offering a little bit of protection against road debris and minor impacts, keeping your vehicle's lower body panels from getting dinged. Their design complements the Tacoma's factory aesthetics, maintaining a clean and stylish look. Overall, you're just getting a nice pad to step on from the driver all the way back to the back without individual step pads like some of the boards have. And it's got a nice little traction and grip on it with a slotted design to help shed away water and mud to keep that footing secure. These are constructed from durable injection molded ABS plastic, and these side step bars are designed using original OEM CAD data to ensure a precise fit on the cab. ABS is known for its lightweight properties and its superior durability, as well as impact resistance, making it ideal for material for withstanding daily use. These steps are finished in a nice matte black coating, enhancing their aggressive appearance while also providing additional protection against the elements. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $400 price range. This investment offers a balance of functionality and style, providing both practical benefits and an upgraded look to the side of your Tacoma. Installation is straightforward, so we are rating this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 1 hour of your time. These side step bars are designed as a direct bolt-on upgrade, utilizing the factory mounting points on the Tacoma. Now, let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 10 and 12 millimeter sockets. What's up guys, today we're gonna be doing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty, so we're starting off underneath our truck, right behind our pinch weld, and you're gonna find these factory threaded inserts. Now you may have some placeholder screws in here to protect the threads. Obviously we don't, but you're gonna need a 12 millimeter socket and a ratchet to remove those. Once you pull them out, you can discard them or just hold on to them for extra hardware. Then we're gonna install our brackets. So we'll get these lined up and grab our provided 12 millimeter flange bolts. Get these in. We're just going to go hand tight with these for now. It's going to be 2 for each bracket. And once you have your first bracket in, you can do the same thing for your other 3 brackets. Now that we have our brackets loosely in place, we can set our steps onto those brackets. It's best to do it from underneath so you can actually see where your studs are supposed to go. You're going to need to tuck it in under pinch weld area. Get your studs to line up. Now there's only one stud going into this back bracket. Once you get them to go through, step will begin to lay. Now get all of your studs lined up. And once we have all of our studs to our brackets, we'll grab our flat washers and 10 millimeter flange nuts. Get those started on our studs. And once you have these loosely on your first bracket, you can do the same thing for the rest of your brackets. So now once you've adjusted everything to where you want it to sit, we're going to take our 12 millimeter socket and tighten down our 2 bracket bolts. Then for our nuts, we're going to use our 10 millimeter socket and tighten these down. And once you've got this first bracket tight, you can do the same thing for the rest of your brackets. Now once you have this side on, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock OEM style side step bars for your 24 to current Tacoma Double Cab. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.